Hi, my today's topic is continuation part of types of government securities. In the previous class, I have explained about the treasury bills, meaning and other features of treasury bills, or how it is beneficial for an investor by buying the treasury bills or by investing in case of treasury bills. And today's topic is related to dated government securities, also called as a dated bond. Another term for the dated government securities is dated bond. Let me explain about dated government securities. Dated government securities are long-term securities and carry a fixed or floating coupon. Coupon means interest rate. So it is a long-term securities and which carries a fixed interest rate and which is paid on a face value of the government securities and payable at the time of due date or at the time of maturity. Usually half year is a fixed time periods for the government securities, dated government securities. And they are issued at face value and redeemed at a face value. The plus point is in case of interest, fixed interest rate or fixed coupon. So that is about dated government securities, long-term securities and carries a fixed interest rate issued on face and redeemed on face, and plus point is only in case of a fixed interest, fixed return. So that is in case of dated government securities. And why it is called as a dated government securities or dated bond? Because the bond or the government securities which carries a date of maturity, or the date of maturity whenever it is expressed or specified in a dated bond or dated government securities, then it is called as a dated government securities. So that is called as a why it is called as a dated government security. Reason, because the date of maturity is specified or expressed in that particular securities. For example, if it is written as the 1st January 2018, then 2018 is a due date. 1st January 2018 is a due date. Or if it is written as a 1st July 2021 is a due date, then it is considered as it will be matured on 1st July 2021. And next point is their securities are mostly issued by borrowed by commercial banks and other financial institutions. The borrower or the investor on a dated government securities are generally financial institutions, or you can say that commercial banks and other financial institutions, or even the foreign institutional investors. They are also the borrower or the player in case of dated government securities. And another plus point is the dated bond or dated government securities can be traded in a stock market. It issued in the primary market, and if the investor wants to sell, the investor can sell before the due date in the stock market, in the secondary market. So that is about some points related to dated government securities or dated bond. Here I am going to explain some features. Some points are repetitive. The features, one is considered as it is a long-term securities or long-term bond, and another feature is can say that it is a fixed it carries a fixed interest rate or floating coupon. Coupon is called as a interest rate. And another one, the date of maturity is expressed in the particular bond or security. So that is the plus point in case of dated government security. The due date will be specified in that particular security. And most of the borrower of dated government securities are the commercial banks, financial institutions, and foreign institutional investors. And another plus point is it can be tradable in the stock market, which I have already told, that the government securities can be traded in the stock market, secondary market. And the issuer of dated government security is the RBI. RBI issue the dated government securities in the primary market, and that process of issue goes through auction or bidding process, or we can say at present we use it as a IPO, initial public offer. Through that process it will that process goes through in the primary market. The auction process or bidding process that will be undertaken by as per the negotiated dealing system as per the system of NDS. There is a particular procedure. As per the procedure which has been specified by the NDS, the same procedures will be followed at the time of issue of dated government securities. Issuer is the RBI, borrowers are the commercial banks, financial institution and foreign institutional investors. Next feature is or next point is related to government security is why the government issues the dated government securities. The purpose of issue of dated government securities is to overcome fiscal deficit. To overcome the fiscal deficit, government generally issue the dated government securities or dated bonds. So that is the decision left to the government, left to the finance minister of the central government. They will undertake the decision of issue of dated government securities by approaching the RBI. Now next is another feature which I have already told. It's a interest payment is a fixed on due date. So that will be issued at the time of due date and it is paid at a regular interval. Means even if the dated government security, if it is borrowed for 5 years, the investor is going to get the interest every 6 months, half yearly, regular interval. Interest is paid at regular intervals. Once in a 6 months, the interest is paid to the investor or to the borrower. So that is the purpose why there is a more demand for these securities from the commercial banks, financial institution and other foreign institutional investors, because it gives regular interval so that they can overcome their financial problems. And the tenure of the government securities is can be up to 30 years, but most of the common tenure is 5 to 10 years. So that is again the decision is left to the government as well as the RBI. So these are the some features related to the government dated government securities. Next, how the dated government securities differ from treasury bill, or what is the difference between treasury bill and dated government securities? Both are government security, both are called as a government security. It's a common feature. Both are called as a government securities and both carry zero risk. You can say that zero risk securities, both dated as well as treasury bills, is a common features between treasury bills and dated securities. And in both the securities are issued by the RBI on behalf of the government, and in both the securities the borrowers are the commercial banks, foreign institutional investors and financial institution. Then what are the difference? Why one is called as a dated securities and one it is called as a treasury bill, even if both are government securities. See, dated securities are the long-term securities issued for 5 or 10 years or for more number of years, whereas treasury bill is a short-term securities, short-term instruments, and maximum duration of treasury bill is 364 days. Means you can say roughly you can say that 1 year is a duration for the treasury bills, whereas for the dated bonds the maximum duration is a 30 years. 30 years is the maximum duration. That's why it is called as a long-term instruments. And treasury bills can be issued even for 14 days minimum, 14 days or 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, 182 days, like that tenure of the treasury bills. Whereas government dated government security is generally for long-term period and only interest is paid once in a half year. So that is in case of dated government securities. And for treasury bill there is no interest payments, but the bill is obtained at a discount. That's another difference. In case of treasury bill, no interest payment. It is issued. The issue of treasury bill is at a discount, whereas dated government securities issued at par, at face value. If it is 100 is a face value, it is issued at 100 only in case of dated securities. Whereas in case of treasury bill, if the face value is 100, if it will be issued at rupees 98. So 2 rupees discount. So that 2 rupees discount is called as a benefit or return or a reward to the investor. So that is a no interest payments in case of treasury bill, whereas in case of dated security it carries a fixed rate of interest. and that will be paid in a regular interval once in a 6 months. But whereas in treasury bills, that the benefit is going to enjoy at the time of redemption, at the time of due date, not as intervals, because there is no interest payments. It's because it is issued at a discount. So that is about the differences between treasury bills and dated securities, only in case of tenure and in case of interest payment, and both the securities carries zero risk in instruments. Thank you. This all about the differences, not differences. This all about the dated government securities. So in today's class, I have explained about the dated government securities and its features and how it is differ from treasury bills. See, only whenever you write any concept related to treasury bills and dated bonds, all are both are same government securities. Only difference is only in case of tenure and in case of interest, and otherwise these are carries the same features or same characteristics or same natures, and issuer is also this government. Thank you very much.